thank you for joining us tonight on Black Investments Matter. I'm Antoine Anderson, and today we're going to be talking about the Ask coin from a new project called Permission, one I think you might be interested in.
Now, what is Permission, or what is this Ask coin all about? Well, like with any airdrop you're going to get involved with, always read your white papers and make sure that it's a project that's worthy of your interest. This one I came across and I thought I'd share. It's a way to put an end to some of the exploitive practices on current Web 2 platforms. When we talk about Web 2, we're talking about the current social media state, whether it's Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or even music sites like Reverb Nation or Spotify. Typically, they have their own business model of where you're putting up your content for free. Anyone can download it and they don't necessarily have to pay you. Or you're putting up your information by use of cookies, and it's being sold by Facebook for millions and millions of dollars collectively. And no one has to ask you for permission to do this. It's a key concept in the Web3 layer that's coming out, where we have NFTs to give us our ownership. What this is seeking to do is link the Web2 construct right now to ownership so that you can own your own ideas, your likenesses, and get paid. Permissions.io was created to put an end to the interruptive, exploitive, and advertising model that drives today's webs and gives individuals back their ownership of their time and their data. The native coin is called Ask, and it serves as a digital reward for individuals to share their data and engage with brands. Ask is already tradable on multiple exchanges and listed on CoinGecko. Now, I went looking for these exchanges. It is in fact listed on Coinbase, but it is not tradable there. You'll have to look around. Some of these exchanges, although they are, no slight against them, they're not based in the US, so the US has some very stringent rules on what goes down. Now, to participate in this airdrop, it's very simple. You go to airdrops.io and you look for the Ask coin. In my case, it was just one of the hot coins that are up there. And I'm gonna go ahead and click on it. Once you're there, it's basically a submission page. And you can earn even more Ask tokens by completing some different tasks. So let's go ahead and claim the airdrop by clicking on claim. We fill out the information. And click sign up. Scan this code to your Google Authenticator app so you can log in. Enter your passcode. In the event that you need to log in without this device, you'll need a recovery code. Take note of this and keep it somewhere safe. So copy and paste it. And you're all set. And once you've done that, immediately you're given a new way to get 100 more Ask coins just by browsing the web. It's an interesting way to do this, and I think this is one of the easier airdrops you can ever participate in. It is definitely one of the one of the most user-friendly ways to do it, but you can come back to it at any time. And now they're saying that you can, one of the tasks is just browsing the web and you can just make more money. And I already see that it's maintaining wallet permissions. I've got login, there's a wallet, there's my data. You just basically created a wallet, saving it, put your location in, get you another 100 ass coins, another 100 ass coins. And that's just an easy way to do it, to join their platform. This has been one of the easiest ways to go. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll go ahead and do it again.